Hello friends, we are going to see in this video the most interesting facts about Apple iPhone. It's really awesome and unbelievable things. We all know Apple is the world's largest IT company by revenue and total assets, and the world's second largest mobile phone manufacturer. In 2019, Apple grew to 139,000 employees around the world, and Apple headquarters employees earn an average of $125,000 a year, and Apple earns $300,000 per minute. At $309 billion, Apple was the world's second most valuable brand in 2019. Amazon was first. Apple has more operating cash than the US Treasury. Apple has 506 retail stores in 24 countries as of 2019. Every Apple iPhone ad displays the time as 9:41 a.m., the time Steve Jobs unveiled it in 2007. And Samsung makes about 30% of the A8 chips that go into Apple's iPhone 6. Apple iPad's display is actually manufactured by Samsung. If you would have bought an iPhone in 1991, part by part, it would have cost you $3.56 million. Now, Apple is worth more than the entire Russian stock market. And Apple's iPhone consumes 25 cents worth of electricity per year if it's fully charged once a day. Do you know, 60% of apps in the Apple App Store have never been downloaded? Apple's iPhone is almost twice more expensive in Brazil than in the US. In Japan's Apple Store, there was a fan who started waiting in line 7 months early for an iPhone 6. Rounded corners on rectangular electronic devices have been patented. In the US by Apple. Apple could buy Disney or Coca-Cola and pay in cash. Apple recovered 2,204 pounds of gold from broken iPhones in 2015. That's worth about $40 million. In 2015, Apple Incorporated was worth more than Switzerland, Sweden or Nigeria. And Steve Jobs used to withdraw just $1 as his annual salary from Apple's account as CEO. Only 30 to 50 of the original Apple I computers still exist, with originals selling for over $50,000. An iPhone has about 75 elements in it, 2/3 of the periodic table. We hope you like this video. If like this video, hit the like button and share your comments. Please subscribe to Online Library and press the bell icon. Don't miss the features videos. Thanks for watching.